Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. Do not wait until you feel motivated. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline builds dreams. Show up even when you don't feel like it. That is how ordinary people become extraordinary. Comment discipline if you are choosing consistency over excuse. Follow for daily motivation. Save this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this.